Located in the heart of beautiful downtown Melrose, Massachusetts, this loft-style condo features an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and a dramatic wall of oversized windows. This contemporary space features central air conditioning, dark walnut hardwood floors, and impressive finishes rarely found at this price point, such as quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, including a Fischl and Paykel refrigerator, and Pottery Barn lighting. The spa-inspired bath features a vessel sink and glass mosaic tiled shower with a frameless door. Extra storage, a low condo fee, laundry in the building, and a pet-friendly association make this unit a must-see. Enjoy all the amenities of downtown with shopping, dining, and proximity to transportation literally right outside your door. Just a 15-minute ride to North Station on the commuter rail. For Fido, the Melrose Dog Park is just a mile away, making this condo French Bulldog approved.